We had the idea was going to start with 4, and then it was like, why not 6? So.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Got automatic locks.
It's all good. Wow, you put as much sub space in here you could.
Yeah.
In this little. What vehicle? Hatchback?
Yeah, hatch.
Okay. So JacobViral?
Trey, Mac.
Okay. Your name? Oh, you told me your name's Trey. What's in here? What else in here, man?
You got 6 essays. You got 3 JP23s, and I've also got a Terry amps pushing my doors right now. Run off a brand X alt.
Okay. What size alt?
It's a 3. No, it's 275. 275.
How are you keeping things from like this right here? Just keep breaking apart and all. Like, how do you keep it from leaking?
It leaks.
It does?
Yeah.
Okay, so you still haven't gotten away from that. Have you metered it at all?
Yeah. So in the kit, go do 156, and then on the dash it does 155, 75s.
Ooh, that's pretty good.
I brought it here to base race today because they put me in the class with the Tahoes. So.
Did you do good?
Yeah, I qualified, so we're gonna see how that goes.
All right. Nice. What's your SPL peak tuning on it? What is it like most?
About 37 to 39 is what it likes the best.
All right. I'm sure you're happy with it then. That's crazy that you haven't had any windshield issues with the upper 50s. Okay. Have you had any windshield breakings yet?
No.
Okay.
Awesome. We expect when we drop the U's in here, it's definitely going to.
Oh yeah, definitely. Is there a way I can see the back? Can I see how the port is? 56s. All right. This is a Fiesta. And you built this box?
Yes, sir. Had to build it in the car.
I was just about to ask you that, like, man, how do you get it out if you had to?
I just got to bust up and bring it out. You can see how this had to be fitted in layers because you couldn't even fit a whole sleeve in.
Yeah.
So.
Wow. Well, that's a dedication to get this cone area in here.
Yeah.
Optimize your. How many cubes did you get out of the box?
I'm not sure.
Not sure. Okay.
I got 90 amp hour C-Max. Don't mind all my wiring.
It's all right. Nice.
And I pulled up to see. You got a good look at the JPs.
Yeah. Yes, sir. And these are 2 subs per.
Yes.
A half ohm.
Half ohm.
Okay. Very nice. Anything under the hood upgraded?
Just the alternator.
Okay. Whew.
That's why it started blowing hot. That started sucking up to the front.
Oh yeah. He put that up there earlier.
The brand X all.
Big 3, big 4.
I got it externally regulated, so I can change my voltage depending on the class I'm in.
That matters? The class matters for both?
If you're above 15.5 in Alaska, it'll put you in something else.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That makes sense because you get more power.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. I don't think I've seen a box like this. I mean, 612s fit inside of this like hatchback is crazy. And what made you do this instead of actually walling it? Just stay in a class or?
Well, we just wanted to try it out.
Yeah, okay.
We had the idea was going to start with 4, and then it was like, why not 6? So.
Yes, sir. Awesome. And you said you're going to be upgrading subs?
Yeah, this box is actually built for the used.
Okay.
And those are SAV2s.
Yep. So you're going to go even louder. Man, you might break a 58, 59.
Yeah. And if that don't do good, then we're going to wall it.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, bro.
You too. Yes, sir. JacobViral.
They say that they killers, they just pussy niggas. We run this thing on it. They probably looking, that's they gon' hit them. That's probably what they took it. Wish I told you all that's in
expensive was that? That was in the mid-30s or so.
That was between 28 and 39.
39, okay.
The 28's push the doors open, so.
Got it, yeah. And that's sealed.
Yeah, so you want to do it rear in the hop seat.
Okay, sure. Yeah.
Back in the house for the night.
about 39 to 41.
Okay. And that's probably around your peak then.
Yeah.
Near that. Nice. And the SPL score in this has got to be what, like a 51, 52, or how high have you gotten it?
56.
Oh, that's even better. Wow. Okay.
One more open.
Wow, pretty good, man. I'm sure you're happy with it then. That's crazy that you haven't had any windshield issues with the upper 50s. Okay. Have you had any windshield breakings yet?
No.
Okay.
Awesome. We expect when we drop the U's in here, it's definitely going to.
Oh yeah, definitely. Wow. I don't think I've seen a box like this. I mean, 612s fit inside of this like hatchback is crazy.